Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. So whenever you try to do a screen recording and when you select the video over here, when you click on new and when you try to do a screen recording and when you click on start over here, if you're receiving this error which says recording stopped, something happened, we have stopped recording, wait a bit, then try again. If this continues, send us your feedback. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix it, type in graphics settings in Windows search box. And then click on graphics settings over here. Now over here, click on Microsoft Store app. And then click on browse. And find snipping tool in the list. Here you can see snipping tool. So select the snipping tool. Once you select the snipping tool, now click on options. Select high performance. Now click on save now. Once this is done, you can try to open snipping tool once again. And then you can select the video mode over here and then click on new. And you can start the screen recording, click on start and you should not receive the error message. Here you can see it starting. So this is how you can fix it, so that will be all. Thank you so much for your. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.